Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. What does it take to make a successful experimental horror film, or any horror film for that matter? Luck? Well, more than likely. You'll never know what's going to happen until you do it and the public's reaction to it. What are and what does it take to make a successful experimental horror film crew? Well, that is more important. You have to know and trust your crew, the actors, and your equipment as well. Knowing how to repair and service your own cameras, your equipment, everything essentially about it, listening and knowing your crew and the talent that you're being hired is essential. Letting them add input to what's going on into the production is also very essential. So at Morbid Team Entertainment, we listen to you fully. With no agents and no managers, you're a freelance talent and you get to keep 100% of your earnings. This is essentially what Morbid Team Entertainment experimental horror films in the Philippines is about. You know, you have to know essentially the ins and outs of the business of the independent low budget side first, to know everything else that's going on in larger productions. Larger productions will screw you over if you let them. But here at Morbid Team Entertainment, we want to know every single thing that's going on, essentially. That way, everything, the crew, the cast, and with the equipment, we know what's going on. Do subscribe to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel, the Morbid Team Entertainment group, Barter, Buy, and Sell, and put a like on our page. Morbid Team Entertainment, Paul Morbid, thanks a lot, and bye-bye.